Welcome back. Let's cut across to Raamdeo Agrawal, who's addressing the press on Motilal Oswal's financial numbers.
So I think this is a very cyclical thing, and part of it is definitely cyclical. And as the economy turns around, as the markets turn around, I'm sure this ratio, which has the cash volume ratio of at the peak it was 25%, has come down to 6%, and global average is about 16-17%. So we are well below we are undershot big time. Some government actions are also required to restore cash volumes, but I think we have overdone in terms of correction at 6% to the overall volume. We think that in next 3-4 years, the industry volume will grow to say maybe 4 lakh crores per day, and the cash volume, which is about 15,000 crores now, could go 3-4 times. So that's the potential of this industry.
What kind of measures brokerage houses are taking to boost investor sentiment and retail participation?
Yeah, so at our end, since we have a very strong retail presence, what we are doing is we are trying to build the distribution, and we are trying to reach more and more investors, and trying to recommend stocks which are, the whole research focus is on to buying value, buying high quality, and seeing to it that investors don't lose by bringing home the shares of high quality companies. That's been the effort, and we know that participation is very weak. Investor withdrawal is almost 100%, almost total, I would say. I mean, it's very sad, but the investor appetite for equities as an asset class is very, very poor right now. And even from the mutual funds in last 7-8 quarters, they have withdrawn upwards of 25,000 crores from the market. So clearly, investor sentiment in equities is very, very, very poor. I mean, it's one cannot predict, but it looks that for last 4-5 years enough time has passed, and maybe some more time, maybe 6 months, 1 year more. But whenever it comes, we are seeing it is much bigger than the last time.
So if we talk about industry, what kind of challenges are there to manage or run the retail business?
I mean, the biggest challenge is the client. I mean, getting the customers and making the customers understand that if you want equity returns, you have to be in equity asset class. I mean, you cannot keep timing the market forever. So there is some point of time when you must come into the market, but they come in when the market start moving, or maybe after 1 or 2 years of stabilized return, then they start flocking into the market. So it has been happening in last 30-40 years, and it will happen this time also.
So the Rajiv Gandhi equity scheme, it seems that it has failed due to lack of awareness or something. How do you see?
That's Motilal Oswal. The stock still down about 3%. But let's address a stock which is surprisingly muted actually, because the expectation was that there will be a much bigger reaction. The stock that we're talking about now is GAIL.